In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix heating issue on Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in settings, scroll down, go in battery, tap on background usage limits, enable this option, put unused apps to sleep, then tap on 3 dot, go in adaptive battery, enable this option also by tapping on this toggle, go back, scroll down, go in accessibility, go in vision enhancement, scroll down, tap on this toggle to enable the reduce animations. Now simply go back, scroll down again, go in about phone, scroll down to software information, tap 7 times on build number to enable the developer options. Developer mode has been enabled. Now simply go back, scroll down. Here you can see developer options is showing now. Simply tap on it. Search here background process limit. Here you can see one search result is showing. Simply tap on it. Tap on background process limit. Select the at most 2 processes. As you can see, my background process limit set to 2 processes. So by following this method, you can fix heating issue on Samsung Galaxy A16. If your issue is still there, then try contacting Samsung customer support. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel.